My name is Preet Raj. We've been learning about BRRs and lease options this week. So we've learned about how to crunch numbers on BRR deals, how to analyze if they're good, learned about lease options, which strategies, which situations to apply the lease options in, and how they're beneficial to both the owner and the seller. So not just, my preconception was that lease options are only beneficial for the buyer, but what we learned is actually can be beneficial for the seller as well. So it's been really quite enlightening. Oh yeah, it's been really, really good. I love the practical aspect of it. So when they say go out and make the calls, it's not just theory; it's action as well. And I think you learn better when you've got to put the action in as well. That's for me. That's the best part. Actually, going out and being forced to do things whilst you're on the course as well. I think if you're looking to get into property, you definitely need to get yourself here, because what you learn from here, the networking, there's just so much information. This is why I bought myself here. Is if you're serious about property, I think you've got to be here.